Is a quality assurance person really needed in a software project, or is it a redundant role? Can a technology venture succeed without a UX/UI designer? Having worked with startups over numerous years, I will share my perspective on those aspects in this video. Having a quality assurance person, aka tester, is more beneficial than you can imagine. The role of a tester is to continuously check if the product features are working properly and report bugs if any occur. The sooner those issues are spotted, the better, because it's easier to fix problems at the early stage of product development rather than later. A good tester saves a lot of developers' time, as they do not have to be looking for mistakes themselves. What is more, a tester also saves clients money, as usually his rate is much lower compared to senior engineer, and that actually makes the development more cost-effective. A tester also makes sure that the user experience flow is complete, flawless, and without any obvious shortcomings. Besides the tester, another important person in a project is a UX/UI designer. When building a public-facing application, a team without a UX/UI designer is at risk of delivering a product that is not very visually appealing to the user. That is why the designer plays a very important role in the project and makes sure that we can meet the client's preferences more effectively. Normally, a UX designer is someone who is quite different from a UI designer. UX, or user experience, requires logical thinking. This role is all about finding the right solutions, the best for the user. If someone opens up the application for the first time and intuitively knows where he can find specific functionalities, it means that the UX designer has done the job well. If the app is not very intuitive, then there is a field for improvement. In addition, it should be remembered that the visual effect itself, meaning mock-ups filled with text and sketches, are only the tip of an iceberg. The UX designer has to research, check, test, and draw everything before the product obtains its final form, taking the usability and simplicity of use into perspective. Thanks to such a complex process, satisfactory results can be achieved, and the final digital product will end up being more intuitive and user-friendly. On the other hand, a UI designer, meaning user interface designer, must possess high graphic skills and sense of aesthetics. He transforms sad, grey sketches into those that can attract an eye. It is utterly important to have more of an artistic approach. Color matching, sticking to one identification, distance, and of course, pixel perfection. Very often, UX and UI designers are one person. Therefore, if I were to describe the role of a UX/UI designer, then certainly it is necessary to pay attention to the need for complete skills in both of these ranges. Such a person must stand out with logical thinking and a strict artistic approach. Having the designs prepared by a professional UX/UI designer is a way to ensure that the product is visually appealing to the users, which in turn increases the probability of success and monetization. If you'd like to learn more about us and the way we work, check out our other videos on YouTube channel or visit our website.